Love, I never knew until the day that I met you. Colors were gray, melodies sung sounded the same. The sun, stars, and moon all feeling brighter, breath feeling new. Do what you do, you took my day.
Hi ate! Hi Kuya Mac! Unang-una sa lahat, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Kahit hindi kami nandiyan ni na mama at kuya sa araw na to, please know that we are celebrating with you. From a distance, but with all our hearts. Sobrang saya namin para sa inyo. Naalala ko ate, may sinabi ka noon na never ko malilimutan. Bago pa kayong magkakilala ni Kuya Mac, parte na pala kayong dalawa ng Domnet Organization at parehas kayong umaattend ng mga events dati. Hindi man kayo nagkakilala agad, pero parang tinadhana talaga kayong magtagpo. It's like the universe kept giving you chances to find each other until finally you did. Ate, throughout all these years na magkasama kayo ni Kuya Mac, I can really see that he brings out the best in you. Sa ating magkakapatid, ikaw ang pinaka-resilient, pinaka-emotionally intelligent, at pinaka-compassionate. At hangang-hanga talaga ako sa'yo. I can see na lalong umaangat yung kabutihan mo thanks to Kuya Mac. And I truly believe na kayo talaga ang meant for each other. Lahat ng pinagdaanan nyo, from small everyday challenges to the really big life-changing decisions, tulad ng paglipad mo papuntang Canada, napatunayan lang lalo kung gaano katatag at totoo ang pagmamahalan nyo. Kuya Mac, thank you. Salamat sa walang hanggang suporta at pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa ate ko. Sa lahat ng taon na kayo magkasama, nakita namin ang dedication mo para mapasaya siya. Sa mga masasayang araw at lalo na sa malulungkot, tulad ng pagkawala ni Daddy. Naramdaman namin ang presensya mo. Hindi lang bilang partner ni ate, pero bilang kuya na rin para sa akin. Alam ko na higit pa rito ang suporta at pagmamahal na binibigay mo kay ate sa araw-araw. At dahil doon, I'm deeply grateful. Masaya ako na ikaw ang pinili niyang makasama habang buhay. Para sa inyong dalawa, thank you. Thank you for being my role models. Thank you for showing me what a healthy, loving, and stable relationship should look like. Dahil sa inyo, alam ko na what kind of love is worth waiting for and what kind of love I deserve. I will always hope to find a love as true and as pure as yours. And finally, sigurado ako na si Daddy, si Nainay, at si Lola Bayani, they're all smiling from heaven right now, happy and proud, dahil nakita nila ang isa't isa. I love you both so much. Congratulations again, Ate Risa and Kuya Mac.
Hi Risa, congrats sa wedding. Sayang hindi ako nakapunta dyan, pero sending all my love to you guys. I hope you have a happy honeymoon and happy days as a couple. I'm so happy for you guys na finally magkasama na kayo ulit. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi Mac! Hi Risa! Congrats on getting married. I'm really happy for both of you. I only wish you guys warm wishes and love on this day. And to Mac, Risa's our very dear friend. Just take care of her for us and make her laugh the way we have for the past 10 years. More than 10 years. Okay. And Risa, I love you, okay? Take care. And we'll see you for your next big wedding.
Hi Riza and Mac, congratulations on your wedding. I hope your day is filled with love and joy and happiness. It's sad that we wouldn't be able to celebrate this day with the friend group, but we are with you in spirit, and I hope everything's okay. And that's it. Happy wedding. Congratulations.
Congrats, Mac and Risa. Wishing all the best in your married life. And sana matupad lahat ng wishes nyo as a couple. Hope to see you soon.
See you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Bessie May, my Bessie May, and my Bessie Lou. Bessie, nagdadrive ako habang ginagawa ko yung video. Oh my God, sobrang miss ko na kayo. Congratulations, hindi ako makapaniwalang ito na yun, ikakasal na kayo. It's like a joke. Is this a joke? Be, hindi pa ito yung wedding. Kasi wala kami. So hindi ako papayag na ito yung official wedding kasi wala kami. Pero congratulations. Oh my God, Risa, Mac, after so many years. After so many years. Eto na yun, be. Kayo ang pinaka... Kayo ba yung una? Kayo ata yung unang ikakasal. Oh my God, kayo ba? Well, technically sa ating very, very close friends, kayo yung pinakauna. Oo. Pero syempre sa batch hindi. Pero grabe! Nalulungkot ako na... Gusto ko kasi talaga pumunta. Pinagbawalan lang ako ni Risa kasi sabi niya kung pupunta daw ako, maghahani mo naman daw kayo dun sa US. So parang huwag na daw akong pumunta. So anyway, congrats, super duper ultra mega congrats. Akalain mo sa huli, nasa inyo ang huli. Oh, I really wish I was there. But I'm really happy for you both. And you know, I wish you both the best. It's like, kayo na talaga, be. Kayo na talaga. Wala na to. Kayo na forever. So, enjoy. Sobrang, I hope, wala kayo masyadong stress. Lalo ka na, Risa, itigil mo yung mga stress mo sa buhay. Just enjoy your day. Magmaganda ka, be, because this is your day. I love you both. See you both soon.
Hello. Okay, may kodigo ako. Okay, first of all, congratulations on your wedding. Happy husband and wifey era to the both of you. And kahit di kami invited dito sa wedding nito, dapat invited kami sa next. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your honeymoon together. And lapag ko na din, if ever, just in case lang, happy mommy and daddy era na din. Cheers to a lifetime of love and happiness together. And love you both. Yun lang. Bye.
Mac and Risa, Mr. and Mrs. Maglonso. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Happy for you sobra. Finally, after all this time. Finally. Sana masaya kayo. Hindi kayo masyadong stress today. So, enjoy nyo lang. Enjoy the drinks. Enjoy the company of everyone. Sana na-enjoy nyo rin yung mga video ng mga mahal nyo sa buhay sa iba't ibang bansa from US, Philippines, and Australia. Yes, medyo pinaghirapan namin to. Kwento ko na lang next time. Ayun lang. Happy for you guys. Sarang yo. And talk soon.
It's a time together. Gonna make